Alright guys, this is a trade recap on how I lost $1,150. I lost $230 across 4 accounts. So yeah, let's get into it. So coming into today, I was expecting to not take any trades. Why? Because we are way overextended on like we had a 1,000 point move overnight, so I didn't really want to take any shorts down to here unless price kind of created an equal low and then we had a little retrace and then I would have taken that. Or if price tapped into this 4 hourly, oh not 4 hourly, this 1 hourly gap and then we respected that and got an inversion out. And in that case, I would have taken a continuation, a 5 minute continuation to the downside. So that was my bias coming into today. I didn't really have one. I was just waiting, just expecting to not trade. So on open, we wick down, and then we start to rip up, and then we have a 5 minute open. Not just yet, sorry. Okay, so we open our 5 minute. Let's go back a bar. So here we have our 5 minute gap that opened. So I was hoping price would come tap into this and then we could take longs into that hourly. And then when 10 a.m. opened, I was like, oh sweet, we might get a 15 minute open, which we did. So my A plus scenario would have been, we come tap into this 5 minute, we come tap into the 15 minute, take this 5 minute low, tap into this 5 minute gap, and get a reaction pretty much instantaneously out of that. But we still chop around for a little bit. Still happy to look for longs, even though after we had this huge displacement candle. And we just chop around for a little bit and then right there. So here we tap into the 15 minute gap, as you can see. And also inside that gap is the 5 minute gap. And it's just about EQ of that range as well, of the 15 minute gap. So this is A plus. Not mad about this loss at all. It's just one of those losses where like it was a great trade, but it's just that, 25% of the time that it just doesn't work out. I was just targeting this high, although you could have held to this high. Not that it matters in this case. And then my break-even point was out this 1 minute gap, which I already have drawn in. So what I do is I take the highest time frame inversion gap out of this, which in this case is the 1 minute gap. So once we got our inversion here, then I entered right there. And I've been trading for a while now, and this is the quickest I've ever been stop rated ever. Just bang, instant stop rate. I was kind of, yeah, nothing I could do about it besides, just you miss that trade. I think a lot of people would have taken this exact trade as well. It was actually a great trade, but yeah, just lost in this case. So that's going to wrap this up. If you want access to my free Discord, the link will be in the bio. And we do teachings in there every Sunday and you'll learn a lot. But yeah, I'll wrap it up there. Thanks for watching.